Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to import presets in the Lightroom CC desktop version. So firstly, you want to head on over to the Lightroom app. Just a side note, your version of Lightroom CC might look slightly different, but the same principles apply. You will need to head on over to the Edit module on the top right-hand side. And then, we are just going to select the Presets panel. Make sure that the Yours preset group is selected. Now we are going to click on the three dots on top in the Presets panel and look for the Import Presets option. Just go ahead and click on that. Your Finder window will open. Now, depending on where you have downloaded or saved your presets to, we will need to locate them here. In this tutorial, they are in our Downloads folder. If the files are still zipped, you will first need to unzip them. Find the Desktop folder in the newly downloaded Presets folder and select the XMP folder for this version of Lightroom. Select all the presets within and click Import. If you have more than one collection to import, you can simply repeat this step for each collection. If you have the All Access Pass bundle, you can simply click on the main folder and import all the collections in one go. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully installed your Lightroom presets. They should be under the name Kali presets, followed by the name of the collection. You can now just apply the presets and make adjustments to your liking. Thank you so much for watching. We do hope you enjoy the presets. Till next time.